Again, our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, January the 21st. Yes, 2023. We have here in this newspaper two irregular puzzles. And those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku. This one I will solve in a minute. And we have also a Samurai Sudoku, aka Quintuplet. And this one I will do tomorrow on Sunday. And I think there are also in the newspaper, the daily newspaper, additionals. But let me start with this one, yes. In the evening, I will do the rest of the puzzles in the additional. Okay, Medium Sudoku. Number, this will be number 5827. 5827, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Well, Medium Sudoku, I've noticed, has always 26. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, it will be at 2 stars. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, 15 to 20 minutes. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row be a low. The only place left for the 5 should be a there. Okay. Then. 5, 5. Let me see. 5, 5. Well, I think I cannot continue with the 5 now. I need to wait. Okay. Then the 6 in this column, the 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 6 will be here, here, or there. We see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there. Here 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. All right. Okay, 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. We have a 3 here, 3, 3, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes here. 3 in the second column, so no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. There are 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. Then. How about 1, 1. The 1 in the third column, the 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. That means I need a 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 1. We have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. Here, a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. So the 1 in this column could be here, could be there, here or there. Well, I see another 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Right. Okay, 1, 1. Now I cannot continue with the 1. Now I need to wait. 6, 6. 4 missing numbers in this row. Third row, one of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 in the third row Could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 6 in this column, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6, all right. 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait, all right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9. And look, we have a 9 in the first row. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. All right. Okay. Then. 2, 8, 8, 2. Well, we have a pair. We have a 1 and an 8 in the second row. Sorry, again. We have a 1 and an 8 in the third row. We have a 1 and an 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a pair, 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8. So 1 digit left in the first row for number 1. The 2 is missing. All right. 4, 4, 4. Okay. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7, 7, okay. So 2 numbers left in this big square. No, 3 numbers left. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. And look, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. Here, 5 in this column, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left. 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4, 4, okay. All right. Okay. Then. 1, 1. 1, 1. All right. 8 and 9 are left. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9, okay. 1, 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And look, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. All right, 1, 1. 1 box left in the third row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4. Well. 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. You see I'm 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see another 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. Here 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright, then 2 missing numbers in the middle column. For the numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes at there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. Yeah, so this box can be 3 anymore, okay. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this last column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 and 8, we have a 8 now in the last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 1. 2 in the third column. 2 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 2. Alright, how about the 3s? And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 3. How about the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 4. How about the 5 then? And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 5. Then. 1 digit left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. So we have 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the second column. So 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 6, number 8. So 3 numbers left. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. Here we have a 7, so 6 and a 9 are left. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6, 7, 9, we have a 6 here, so 7 and 9 are left. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 6, 7, 9, we have a 7 here, so, and there's 7. So 7 should be here, and the 6 and the 9 goes there. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well. Not a 1-star, but I'm pleased with the time. It's definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Saturday. And we will meet again in the evening. Yeah, with the other puzzles in the additional. Yeah. Until then, bye-bye for now.